Hello, my name is Konkana Bakshi. I'm the Principal Image and Etiquette Consultant at Savoir-Faire Academy, the luxury finishing school in Mumbai. Today, we are hosting 2 days personal grooming and social etiquette program for ladies. So her dominant colors is winter because her hair is overpowering. I hope you enjoy the program. We have attention to details even as a chairperson or a CEO of the company. So what you have to do when you go for social dining, you have to make conversations. So the longer the glass, the slower the fizz go down. That's why in today's world, everybody drinks champagne in a flute, not in a coupe.
So we always leave little bit of natural eyebrows and then we shape them from here.
I just completed my course, the Ladies Personal Grooming and Social Etiquette Program at the Savoir-Faire Academy by Ms. Konkana Bakshi.
The class was very international level. She explained everything in a very detailed manner, and I have to mention very approachable.
It was a very enriching experience to learn from Konkana ma'am, who taught us about how to elegantly behave in personal and social networking.
I have learned so much more than etiquette in this program. I've learned communication skills which I will implement in social gatherings, especially the ones related to school. I've learned how to hold myself, walk with elegance and grace. I've learned so much more than I thought I would.